screen. I don't want the guys
To know me.
to know me.
Yeah,
I said, no
exactly.
problem. What did they gave me a screen. Okay, nice big garden. The judges are asking me. So in the UK, the first court there's like 3 judges, right? So they're asking me. So tell us what happened. I said what happened. So their lawyer, they gave me a warning saying the lawyer's gonna try and make you seem like a liar. Don't freak out. Just stick by your story. And that's what I did, right? What did she do? She made me, because I had to answer. The judge told me you have to answer. She made me state where I lived, what floor I was on.
Oh.
Can you imagine? So the assailant knew exactly where I lived at that point.
Yeah.
To prove how I could see that fight, right?
Okay.
But now that I knew that they knew where I lived, I left.
Yeah.
The court was done. I left. Not even that day. I didn't even pack up my shit. Went to London. Got a flight straight back to London. Didn't get to do my exams. I failed a year.
Oh shit.
So what did my parents do? We arranged someone to come clear up the apartment, rent a new place somewhere completely different under someone else's name. Then I missed the whole game.
But still, you were rich enough to do all that.
Can you imagine?
Fuck you, man. But man, come on, man. We're going through what the
You
guy
wanna know what
did.
paranoia I went through? So
Man,
when I came back to
I
college,
mean, I won't
my
sleep at
first
night.
fucking class, a guy's walking with me from class we left last time.
Okay, what is that?
The guy's walking with me
Man, I
from
was
class.
in front of that. What the
Abi dedik
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so ashamed of that right now.
I'm transferring to the guy that Amat. He's annoying me.
Who's the
And then let the guys.
Allah al-Azim, I forgot. I know you told me, but there was too much happening in the office today.
Okay.
But anything you transfer, bro, I'm going to do it. You know it. Like, you don't need to worry about
No, I'll
it.
transfer it now.
Who's this guy?
Huh?
Maha, don't worry about it. We'll take care.
No.
Don't trust.
He's an I don't want to get bigger. I'll transfer the amount.
Okay.
What's that? Lemon zest.
no.
So what's that, chef?
That is for 10 people. What you bought for 3 people?
Don't worry,
What
chef.
is
Please describe that for us.
I need this video.
What are they grating?
The scrapple?
Oh, truffle.
Oh,
Chef. They really pulled
what
off.
is this?
Look at this shit. And look at that, chef. Love it.
Bro, black truffle.
غالي
Pulled out all
شوف
sorts.
انا والله
God.
يعني احترمك على
I need to
الاتصال اللي
take a picture of
اتصلت
that.
فيني اول مره
Man,
بعدين
who
أشوف بدل
told you to
الأسلوب
get the
يتغير.
fucking fish?
اذا على المبلغ قلت لك انا بحول لك اياه زين انا تو اعرف انه ما
Oh
حول لك
my
اياه على
God.
اساس ان المحاسب حول لك اياه تو بحول لك اياه من
So chef, can you please describe what that is?
حسابي
What is the
الخاص
opinion?
زين
That's bone and ribeye from Wagyu.